It is an important part of the paper. Writing section is also in your syllabus. There are 4 sections: reading section, writing section, grammar and literature. So it is very important part. It is a writing task in which a person, place or an event is described. It is written to present the facts about a person, place or an event to the reader. When you write any paragraph, you should keep in your mind some points. Use simple language. Stick to the word limit of 100 to 150 words. You should give complete details about the person, place or thing being described it. Use simple language. You should write short sentences. You can easily write them. You can take the help of visual and verbal clues given in the question can be used in constructing the descriptive paragraph. Write paragraph listing events and steps in chronological order. Whether you are writing about anything, so first, suppose you are writing about any person, then you will write his or her birth before, and after that in the end you will write about his death. So this is called chronological order. After writing the paragraph, it is very necessary that you edit if there is any mistake, revise it fully, review it. If there is any grammatical mistake, then you have to correct it. Now, today we will take a paragraph on our school peon. These are the hints. Sitaram, our school peon, khaki uniform, 40 years old, very active and smart, hard working, reaches the school before it opens doors and windows, does the principal's office, rings the school bell, takes a seat in front of the headmaster's principal's office, goes from class to class, delivering books, very respectful and obedient, gentle and polite, honest and trustworthy, works very hard, pay small, government should raise his pay. So how we will write this paragraph? You will see Sitaram. Sitaram is our school peon. He wears khaki uniform. He is about 40 years old. He is very active and smart. He is very hardworking. He reaches the school before it opens. He opens the doors and windows. He also does the principal's office. He rings the school bell, takes his seat in front of the headmaster's or principal's office. He goes from class to deliver and to he also circulates the orders. He delivers books to the teachers. He is very respectful and obedient. He is very gentle and polite. He is honest and worthy. He has so many qualities. He works very hard. His pay is very small. His pay is meager. So government should raise his pay. In this way you can write the paragraph. So I am telling you some more paragraphs you have to write in your books. I am telling you, first, taking the information below in the input, develop it into a paragraph of 100 and 140 words. You can invent your details. As hints are given: Ravi, my classmate's younger brother, the room well decorated, many quest in best dress, attractive present, the cake cutting ceremony, clapped, cheered and wished a happy birthday, interesting games, tasty snacks, listen to western music, nice dinner. So you have to write. I think you are able to understand on which it has been written, a birthday party. And now see next paragraph. Taking the information given below in the input, develop it into a paragraph. You can invent your own detail. You can also add some other information if you know. Hence our school library. Now you are able to understand that you have to write your school library on the ground floor, a separate room for reading, long chairs and tables, newspapers and periodicals both in English and Hindi, pictures of natural readers, sceneries and slogans, adore the walls, adore means decorate, a large collection of books kept in shelves and almirahs, the books kept subject wise, issued to students on demand, daily visitor. I think you are able to understand this. So students, you have to write it in your notebook, and these are very easy paragraph. You will see that after this you will be able to write the paragraph. Thank you, students.